looks like flakes. Is it ice cream? I don't know. We'll just try. The pearls, they're like really chewy pearls, and it's like new experience, and it's like sweet, good. That is Snowtown. We're going to Snowtown today to try some desserts. It's like almost summer and it's really warm and really hot today, so we're gonna try something to cool ourselves. Okay. So, yep. What are we seeing? Bubble tea, Naina?
Tea.
Bubble tea. Bubble tea signs.
Jasmine tea. Blueberry smoothie.
Blueberry smoothie.
Kiwi fruit smoothie.
Kiwi fruit.
Chocolates. Strawberry smoothie.
കുറേ ഉണ്ട്. ബബിൾ ടീ ഒരു പുതിയ എക്സ്പീരിയൻസ് ആണെന്ന് തോന്നുന്നു. അതുകൊണ്ട് വി ഗോണ ട്രൈ ബബിൾ ടീ മെയിൻലി ആൻഡ് ദെൻ വിൽ സീ വാട്ട് എൽസ്. ഇവിടെ കുറേ ഐസ്ക്രീംസിന് ഓപ്ഷൻ കൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. ലെറ്റ്സ് ഗോ ഇൻ ആൻഡ് സീ വാട്ട് വി ക്യാൻ ഗെറ്റ്. ഞാൻ സീറ്റ് പിടിച്ചു. ഇറ്റ്സ് ലൈക്ക് നല്ല അടിപൊളി ലൈറ്റ്സ് ഒക്കെ ഉണ്ട്. So this is tiny little monster here. This is one of the most recommended ice cream or the dessert in here. So this comes with a little tiny mug of condensed milk. So what we can do is you can pour the condensed milk and then try the ice cream. But what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna try first and then we'll put the condensed milk later because എനിക്ക് അല്ലാതെ കഴിക്കാൻ ഭയങ്കര ഇഷ്ടമാണ്. So I'll just try. It looks like, can you see this looks like flakes. Is it ice cream? I don't know. We'll just try. There was like ice flakes actually. Okay, so this is not just ice cream or just cream, okay? There is ice flakes which we got first, and then there is cookies, cream, and then ice cream. So it's like so this scoop is like better. This has got ice flakes and then ice cream, and a little bit of cookie. Oh. Okay, so I've got the ice which is literally melted and the cream also melted. Ice cream obviously yes, it melted, and then the cookie for the crunch. We'll just try some condensed milk. So this is bubble tea. This was something which I always wanted to try because I've heard about it and then I never know where to get it. So then this has got like milk in it, and then what you see inside are the pearls or the beads. This is like made of tapioca pearls, which has got flavor in it. And then I'm gonna try this for the first time. So from here they recommend me to try the taro milk bubble tea. So this is the taro bubble tea, and I'm gonna try this for the first time. I got the chewing pearl. See, these are the pearls. They're like really chewy pearls, and it's like new experience, and it's like sweet, good, really good. So that's bubble tea. We had bubble tea and ice cream from Snowtown, and it was really awesome, really sweet. And these people are like really good. They're like so sweet. So what we know about bubble tea is this is like basically from Taiwan, and then this was milk tea. You also have the iced tea options, which is really good. If you want like really cool ones, you can go for iced tea options. And this was milk tea with the pearls, and these pearls are tapioca pearls. Kappayana. That was really cool. And then I would say like price wise, this was like not too bad. Under $20 something. It's not that expensive though, but it was altogether so nice. Nalla sun aanu, nalla veilanu. So that's Burry and Coffee signing off from Snowtown in Hamilton. Well, this is again Hamilton. So ta-da! Bye, ta-da! Expression, real expression. So that was the real expression. So you should come here. This is really awesome trial.